Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up influencer campaigns using GRIN for dropshipping, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up influencer campaigns using GRIN for your dropshipping business, start by signing into your GRIN account. Navigate to the Influencer tab within the GRIN dashboard. Click on Discover to begin searching for potential influencers. Utilize the filters to narrow down your search based on niche, audience size, or engagement rates. Review the profiles of influencers that match your criteria. Take note of their content style and how it aligns with your brand. Once you've identified suitable influencers, click on their profiles to view more detailed insights. From the influencer profile, locate the Add to Campaign option. Create a new campaign or select an existing campaign where you want to add the influencers. Fill in the details of your campaign, including campaign name, budget, and goals. Set the campaign timeline to establish start and end dates for your influencer collaboration. Next, draft an outreach message that clearly communicates your proposal. Ensure your message is personalized to each influencer for better engagement. After finalizing the outreach message, send it to the selected influencers. Monitor their responses and engage in discussions to finalize partnerships. Once agreements are in place, provide influencers with the necessary product information they will be promoting. Use GRIN's product catalog to easily manage product links and information. Confirm shipping details to ensure the products reach the influencers promptly. As the campaign progresses, track influencer posts and engage with their content. Utilize GRIN's analytics tools to measure the performance of the campaign in real time. Assess metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversion rates. Make adjustments to your strategy based on these insights for future campaigns. After the campaign ends, collect feedback from the influencers for continuous improvement. Finally, prepare a report summarizing the campaign's successes and areas for enhancement. This will help you refine your influencer marketing strategy moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.